couch yoga practice to help you strengthen your legs and feet and improve balance, part 3. This is a 3-part series of couch yoga for improving balance and strengthening your legs. So if you haven't checked it out already, be sure to go to part 1 as well as part 2, because this practice does build on top of the previous ones that I've taught on my YouTube channel. Hi everyone, my name is Elaine Ouyang. I'm a certified yoga therapist bringing you yoga therapy practices to help you dial down your chronic pain. Before we get started, I'd love to invite you to my free Pain Care Yoga Starter Kit, which you can find on my website at elaineyoga.com. If you enjoy this video, be sure to hit subscribe at the end, like it, and comment if you have any questions or anything that you want to share about how you feel after this practice below. Without further ado, we're going to get started. We will start on a couch. Let's begin. So we're going to go ahead and get started on a couch, but in a little bit we will be standing up, and for that I would recommend being close to a wall or having a chair nearby, because we are going to be doing some balancing poses, and these props and tools can actually help you develop further confidence in yourself and get stronger through your legs and improve your balance. First off, we're going to do something that's very similar to what we did from our last week's session, part 2, on strengthening legs and ankles as well as improving balance. You're going to come towards the edge of your couch or the edge of your bed and place your feet about hip distance apart. You're going to slide one foot just a little bit forward and your other foot slightly back, like so. So my heel of my left foot is actually slightly off, and you might feel the same when you slide one foot back as well, and that's completely normal. So you're going to hold on to the edge of your couch or your bed, take a breath in, and then as you exhale, lean forward and press into your legs as if you're about to stand up. Inhale, backing up again, and exhale, leaning forward, engaging your abdominal muscles slightly. Inhale and exhale. Okay, so if you did last week's video, this should feel very familiar for you. We're going to switch sides now, so swapping the other leg forward and the other leg back. Remember, your hands and arms, they're just there for stability and not so much trying to hoist yourself up using your arms. The idea is to try to find your leg muscles as well as your abdominal muscles. So again, inhale. Exhale, leaning forward, slightly pressing down, and then inhale, backing up, straightening up, exhale, pressing down, leaning slightly forward, abdominal muscles engaged, inhale, and exhale. Great. And then coming back down to your seat, feet side by side, take a breath in, and exhale. So now after doing both sides, I want you to kind of think back, and whichever side feels a little easier, you're going to use that leg as the front leg. So use that side. Okay, so for example, if you're right dominant and feel like you trust your right leg more, you can start with that. Not to say you shouldn't switch it up as well so that the other leg doesn't get left behind and get weaker and weaker. But for now, just to build your self-confidence, I'd like you to start with the side that feels a little easier and more approachable for you. So I'm going to pick this side. This time we're actually going to stand up. So again, hands onto the edge of your couch or bed. Inhale, exhale, gently up, engage your abdominals, press, and then we won't get up yet. We'll do one more. Inhale. Exhale, press through your legs, and then stand all the way up, and you can place your feet towards each other side by side. Now go ahead and bring that chair towards you or walk yourself to a wall. So I'm going to choose to have the chair by my side and use the back of the chair so that it gives me ample support. Now similarly, I'm going to have one foot forward, one foot back, right here, okay? And I'm just turning sideways so you can kind of see a little better from this angle. And then I'm going to inhale, and as I exhale, I'm going to lean forward. My back foot and heel is going to come up a little bit. I feel my weight lean through this front leg a little bit more. Inhale back up so that you feel the weight into your back leg now. And exhale, transfer the weight forward. Okay, inhale and exhale. So it's very similar to walking. For example, that weight transfer, the movement of your ankles, the movement of your heels. But here we're going to take it a notch further. So inhale, backing up, and then as you exhale, as you come forward, so you can lift very briefly up onto your tippy toes. Doesn't have to be high. And then inhale, come back down. And then exhale, lift up briefly on your tippy toes, and then inhale, back down. Good. Exhale, and inhale. Exhale, inhale. Do one more. Exhale, lift, and inhale, release down. Beautiful. And step your feet in towards each other, side by side. You can give your legs a few shakes side to side to just release that. And then we'll go ahead and do the other side. So you can simply just turn around for the other side so that your the other hand holds onto the chair or the wall. But I'm going to keep facing you, so I'm going to bring my chair over. All right, so my other foot is forward, my other foot is back, swapping side. Inhale, I'm going to lean into my back leg, and then exhale, leaning forward, not floating your heels up yet, just gonna lean so that you feel your body weight into this front leg. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, lean forward. Your abdominal muscles also slightly engaged here. Inhale and exhale, lean forward. Good. Inhale and exhale, lean forward. Good. Now we're gonna add that little lift through the heels. Inhale, exhale, like a little float up, and inhale. Exhale, little float up. Inhale. And exhale, little float. Inhale. Exhale. One more, inhale. And exhale, float up. Perfect. And then come all the way down. Bring your feet back in towards each other and just give them a few walks. By now you should feel your ankles and feet sufficiently warm. You probably feel your leg muscles working, ankle muscles working, and that's what we want. Just a little bit. We don't want to overdo it by all means. So now we're going to continue using this chair or the wall, whichever you have by your side. And we're going to stretch out the legs. So holding either the wall or the seat of your chair, I'm going to back up a little bit and then step your feet out a little wider than the chair, a little wider than your shoulders. And then lean your elbows down onto the back of your chair, or if you're against the wall, you can just kind of bring your elbows against the wall like this and bring your head forward and down so that you start to stretch the back of your legs. And soften your spine. You can stretch your hips a little side to side, bending one knee and then the other. Soften your belly, relax through your face, jaw, and neck. Great. And then returning to center. Bring yourself all the way back up and step your feet towards the wall or a chair with your feet side by side. And just rest your arms down by your side. Take an easy breath in, easy breath out. Thank you so much for joining me in this 3-part series to help you strengthen your legs and ankles and improve balance. If you enjoyed this series and enjoy these videos, please subscribe to this channel, give a thumbs up, and I'd love to also hear what you observed during this practice, how you feel afterwards. So you can leave that in the comment below. All right, everyone, I will see you next time.